Okay.
It's
All right. So today we are going to read a story that is going to tell us about a girl that really likes solving puzzles, okay? But she experiences some problems while she's solving a puzzle. Have you ever solved a puzzle before? Yeah?
a lot.
A lot of them? Could you tell me more about that? What do you think? Like, have you solved them by yourself? Or
I
somebody?
solved I only solved the one by myself, and it was like 500 pieces, and it was really hard. It took me days.
5,500 pieces and took you days. Wow, that's a lot. So, what problems do you think you could have while you are solving a puzzle?
I forgot what you said. Can you please say it again?
Yeah. What problems could come up when you are solving a puzzle?
You might be missing a piece, and or it could break because sometimes it could actually break.
Yeah, it could break.
Easily.
Good. You could missing a piece, like you said. It could break easily, or maybe it could come apart, right? Okay. So before we actually start reading the story, I would like to go over through some words, through some vocabulary that might be a little bit difficult to understand, and I just want to make sure that you can read it and you know what these words mean, okay? So this is how we're gonna do it. I have these words written on the whiteboard here. I will ask you to read the word and tell me what the word means first, okay? So let's look at the first one right here.
Challenge.
Challenge. Could you tell me what challenge means?
That means that you have a test and you have to challenge someone.
Okay, so it might be something that's a little bit too difficult for you to do, but you can really work hard to get it done. All right, that's good. What about this one?
Watering hole.
Watering hole. And what do you think that means?
Ooh.
That's a hard one, what? Okay, let me read you a sentence with watering hole in it, and you can tell me what it means based on that, okay? Ready? The animals were standing by the watering hole to get a drink before they had to continue hunting.
Pond.
A pond, something like this, yeah. A watering hole is basically a hole where there is water and animals drink from it. Good readers make predictions, right? And to make predictions, it means to take a guess about what's going to happen in the book. But these predictions are not just any guesses, they're smart guesses, right? You're looking for some information that will tell you what could actually happen in that book. So look what I'm doing here. I'm going to read the title of the story first, okay? And it says Becky's Puzzle Problem. Just based on the title, could you tell me what would be one prediction, like your prediction for the story?
There's a problem in the thing. There maybe could be a missing piece, or one could be broken, a piece could be broken.
Very good. This is very nice. Okay, now look on page 3. There is a table of contents, right? And I want you to just scan through the titles here in the table of contents.
Becky finds a perfect puzzle. It's all in how you look at it. Becky hits a snag, the dream, another point of view, the unexplained problem, Dad to the rescue, a surprise ending, glossary.
So table of contents tell you exactly what you're going to have in the book, right? So look what I'm doing. I'm going to make a prediction based just on the table of contents, okay? So look right here, it says Becky hits a snag. So when I read that, I'm thinking, Becky's probably going to have a huge problem and she will not know how to solve it, which will maybe make her stop from solving the puzzle, okay? And then my another prediction will be based on this title. It says Dad to the rescue. When I'm reading that, I'm thinking, well, that's probably going to help her solve that problem. Does that make sense? Okay, so I would like you now to quickly take a picture walk of the book and think about more predictions that you could make about the book.